My name is Malik Herring. This is my Google Tools project. You be the teacher. This is fourth grade learning or fourth grade class. The subject is math. Learning just addition, subtraction, multiplication. And what the kids are going to do is they're going to show their teacher they understand what's going on in their math class or their math subject. As in, like doing the problem for addition, doing a problem for subtraction, doing a problem for multiplication, and a problem for division. Just one example of each. An example, if they need help, they can go to this link right here. That's on YouTube,
You're gonna have to
and it
explain
helps them
balance
show them
with this. How we
what's
can help
going on
a little bit.
in class
It can help.
and get them a
Now
pretty good
listen.
understanding of
Think of the word.
what's going on just with the
7
problems
apples.
and how to solve it. And that's it.